On a hot summer day, a little monkey found a ripe mango. His tummy rumbled as he held it. Just then, his friend the parrot flew down. "Wow, that looks yummy!" chirped the parrot. The monkey smiled, split the mango, and gave half to his friend. They munched happily under the banyan tree. Later, the monkey sat on a branch hanging over the river, swinging his legs. Suddenly, the parrot noticed the branch cracking. "Jump down, quick!" she cried. Startled, the monkey leapt safely to the ground just before the branch snapped into the rushing water. The parrot chirped, "Sharing made our friendship stronger." The monkey said, "And true friends always save you when you are about to fall." Friendship grows with sharing, and true friends always help each other in times of need.